Welcome to my video on how to package shower steamer tablets. Have you ever had trouble opening shower steamers and the packaging was just really tight and difficult to open and you just wanted to hop into the shower? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how I package them with the equipment that I use, the packaging material, and the best way to package them with a demonstration at the end. Hey, it's Diane from Vermont Lavender with small business tips and ideas. Let's get started. Shower tabs are little mini shower steamers, and I'm going to release them from the mold. And they dried in this overnight and they just pop right out. That is one thing about the silicone too. So it's great for like making soaps and things like that. It's so much easier. These are nice and hard and they're ready to be packaged. And let's do that next. See how easy that was? If you want to learn how to make these shower steamers at home or for your business to sell, click on the link Super Strong Shower Steamers that last longer. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.